All right, so we're about to see what's faster, the Sportsman 700 or the Sportsman 500 HO. These are both carb models. Now, I think we both know that this one's probably faster because I rode that earlier and he rode this, and we agreed this one's definitely faster. But how much faster? And then his speedometer works, mine don't, so we are not gonna know how fast we're going. We got a nice open strip. Let's go.
Oh, you're calling it too?
Two-wheel drive? Go. Houston, we have left the building. How fast was you going when I blew past you? 25? 25? You wanna do another one? I went to take off and this bitch just spun. I'm hoping my GPS is working so I can see what the speed I'm hitting is.
Ready?
Hold on. Let me put my phone. You ready? You say it. You call it.
Go.
What? How high is it throwing that shit?
Huh?
How high is it throwing it?